everyone, welcome to my channel, Kindred Souls of Brooklyn. And as you can see, we're at the iconic Space Needle here in downtown Seattle. So stay tuned for a cool video. Gonna get some cool views up on the Space Needle. It was built in 1962. Hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned. So just a little view from the outside before going up. You could see that it's got, make it a little stronger here. They've got these elevators that go all the way from top to bottom. And you get to see these gold elevators, and they go all the way up. And this is a monorail. I think the monorail actually originated in Seattle, but this isn't operational right now. I think it's just it's supposed to go to the downtown area, I think, which we're in, to a mall or something. But it goes right inside the Pop Culture building, but it's not working right now, I don't think. Otherwise, I think I'd be driving that thing or riding it anyway. But anyway, there's one of those elevator cars I was telling you about that goes all the way up to the top. I think it's like 600 feet up to the top. And you get an idea of that right there. So on our way to the Space Needle, a funny thing happened. I found this place called Dog in the Park. So I think I'm gonna have to have myself a dog in the park before going up to the Space Needle. So stay tuned. I mean, look at this. You got cream cheese dog, Chicago dog, Mediterranean dog. Wow. I might just go for the classic Chicago dog. So the owner of the place says I have to try the Seattle dog, right?
Yeah.
What, it's caramelized vegetables and
cream cheese. The key is the cream cheese. So the Seattle come with the cream cheese and caramelization and the beef dog right there.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm a huge hot dog person. I love it. All right, thanks for your advice.
We are dog in the park right there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. Thank you very much. All right. I'm braving the elements with my devil dog hat. And let me tell you, this Chicago dog, Seattle dog, it's got cream cheese on it and lettuce, tomato. It's really amazing. Take a look at that thing. So a little respite before going over to the Space Needle. So we're here at the iconic Space Needle, getting ready to go up. What they have is this little park, which is so amazing. I don't know what they call it, but they got all these little shops in here. You could buy corn on the cob. You could buy the hot dog. I keep saying Chicago dog. It was a Seattle dog. Looks like an ice skating rink or a hockey rink there. I mean, this is really cool. Really nice place to come. And this is all in the heart of downtown Seattle, all in walking distance from the Pop Culture Museum, which we just came. What's really amazing, what I love is it's fall. And, coming from Florida, one thing I miss about New York, I miss the changing of the leaves. You don't see too much of that in Florida. But we're here at the Space Needle, enjoying a little bit of everything. And we're going to queue up now, as they say, and go on upstairs, take a look around. All right, so we're heading on in up the ramp, up to the Space Needle. My battery's a little low, so we'll get as much as we can and show you the great stuff of Seattle. What's amazing is that I can't seem to escape Disney, not that I want to. They have an Evolve system here, which we have in the Magic Kingdom, and of course it's all Disney. Checks the bags coming in. So of course, really cool stuff. But I'm gonna show you this over here. This is we're inside the Space Needle right now on the bottom. And this is of course the gift shop as you walk out. And we're waiting to line up here, and we're lining up to go up in the elevators. So as I said, my battery's a little low, so I don't want to spend too much time with stuff like this. Just go right to the meat and potatoes, as we used to say. Right to the meat and potatoes. So you actually get a free photo here before you go up. You get your photo, and then you go over here. And these are the elevators which take you up to the top of the Space Needle.
Masks are required indoors when not smiling for photos. Get ready for your first free photo included with your tickets. Have your tickets ready and be prepared to smile. Have a great time and enjoy your visit.
All right, so here we are on the glass elevator going up.
Welcome aboard. We are going up to the highest level of the building at 520 feet or 158 meters in the air. This elevator faces west, looking out across the Puget Sound towards the Olympic Peninsula. There are 2 levels included with your visit up top, and they both have 360-degree views through glass walls going all the way around. The upper level has an outside deck, a cafe, and a wine bar. The lower level has the world's only revolving glass floor. Please remember to keep your mask on indoors, stay as long as you'd like, and when you're ready to exit, head down to the lower level to wait for an elevator. Thank you.
Wow, and we're here. Thank you very much. That was a great ride. Thank you. Look at this. And we're here right during sunset too. We couldn't have planned it any better. But to be honest, we didn't really plan it. We just kind of let it happen. It's Kerry going down to take a view of Seattle. And let me tell you, it is chilly now. My Florida blood is crying out. You got the open windows here, but look at all downtown Seattle. This is Puget Sound, I think they said. We got 2 helicopters hovering up here. I don't know what that's about. I don't know what that is below. You got the wheel lit up at night down there.
There's Lumen Field.
Oh, there's Lumen Field. They got to hold some battery power for that. Hold on. So here we go. I'm going to zoom in on this. This is kind of where our hotel is, in that area down there. And you can see the mountain. Look at that mountain back there. But Kerry's thing right there. Look at that Lumen Field right there. And I think the one right next to it, I don't know what they call it, Safeco Field these days, whatever. T-Mobile Field, thank you. Where the T-Mobile Park, where the Seattle Mariners play. Wait, let's get that again. Go ahead. What?
Hi.
Wait, 1 second. That was scary. Hold on.
Hi. You can see Lumen Field right there. Go Seahawks.
So wait, want to hear something I haven't heard yet? Who's the best husband for bringing you to Seattle for your birthday?
I don't know. You are, of course.
Yeah, right.
Sorry.
As the old kid used to say, Boulder Dash.
Nah, it's true. Bye, everybody.
Yeah. See that? But yeah, this is beautiful. Highly recommend it. I mean, it's actually nice feeling the chilly air for a change. I mean, all this time in Florida. But I will tell you, I know it's scientifically not true, but your blood definitely thins out. So you got some kind of helipad down there. These helicopters are flying around. I don't know what that's about, but I guess you could. It's a hospital, most likely. And but just look at this city. This truly is the Emerald City. It really does have a very different look. I mean, this is my first time in the Pacific Northwest. I've never been north of Anaheim in California, Disney and Knott's Berry Farm and the like. So this is really different for me, and maybe hopefully for you too. Hope you're enjoying this out there. Look at that. So you don't see too many cranes here. I mean, like New York is doing a lot of cranes, a lot of building. Seattle seems like they're at a point where a lot of the building is done, or they're in a phase now where they're kind of calming it down, maybe because of COVID, I don't know, but I've only seen a couple of cranes out there, but just very beautiful, ravishing would be the word I would use for the city. Really beautiful, really beautiful. And at sunset, even better. I'm gonna swing around the other side to get more to sunset. So the nice gentleman was just talking to us and telling us that all of these buildings here are Amazon buildings. It's basically, obviously everyone knows Amazon is based in Seattle, like a lot of good companies like Boeing, but most of these black buildings here are Amazon through here too. And I was just talking about the cranes. That's how we started talking about the conversation. He was saying he has an office down here, and at one point there, half the cranes in America were rented out to Seattle. I think that's the case in Brooklyn now for the same type of reason, but just amazing. You know, really nice people here, I have to say. We're really meeting a lot of great people here, really nice people, just initiating the conversation, and it's a really nice, fine place to be. And I mean, I've only been here for a day and a half or so, but if someone said they were moving to Seattle, I wouldn't think they were crazy. I think they were really smart. It looks like a really beautiful place. And that's from a Brooklyn guy's perspective. Haven't tried the pizza, but that's from a Brooklyn guy's perspective. All right, so fasten your seatbelts. We're going to the glass floor. You can see all the way down to the bottom. Let's see how we do. I told you, the glass floor. Let's sway. There we go. Put the view again with the glass floor, and let me show you. You can kind of see right to the bottom. See, it's like, it's not so bad. I was worried it was going to be a whole glass floor, which I know you can't see too much of it, but this is more Seattle. It's funny when you step, but you can see out there how beautiful this is. And we're actually, I don't know if you noticed this, we're actually rotating around. I just realized this, it's very slow, but we're actually moving very, very slowly. Look at that. So there's actually a football game down there. I don't know if it's the Huskies or what, but you could see they're huddled up over here on this side. And not many people out there in the stands. Some loyal parents maybe. There's something really cool right here. This is the device that actually turns the whole Space Needle floor around. It's like a metal crank. Look at the size of that thing. Turning this whole thing around. That's really cool. So like all good Disney attractions, this is no different. You end up in a gift shop at the end of the day. So, very big gift shop, I have to say. About the size of Mouse Gear in total. And a lot of nifty stuff. Space Needle type stuff, Seattle stuff. But World's Fair from 1962. Really amazing. This was certainly a really great thing to do. Highly recommend it. So, I hope you enjoyed that video. I certainly enjoyed coming to the Space Needle. It's certainly well worth it. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Please drop me a line. I really appreciate it. And this is Al signing off from Seattle, downtown Seattle, from the Space Needle. See you on the next video. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.